Are you trying to find the best school for your child in 2024? GoldenBee Global is here for you. At GoldenBee Global, the library is a treasure of wisdom. Our sports area is where champions are made. Strap on the wheels, feel the rhythm, and roll through life's twists and turns. Dive into excellence at a swimming pool. Play your favorite sport and learn the value of true sportsmanship. Step into a science lab where curiosity meets discovery and students explore the wonders of the world. In our classrooms, knowledge comes to life and digital literacy meets innovation. GoldenBee Global, a place where imagination has no bounds, where students discover the joy of art and music and dance beautifully to the rhythm of life. Step into our robotic lab, where students aim to shape the future with innovative creations and problem-solving skills. Caring environment for our little ones, ensuring they learn, relax, and receive guidance in a safe and nurturing surrounding. Join us at GoldenBee Global and let us be a part of your child's beautiful journey. For further details, kindly visit our website.